This is what you have to do to fix any OnePlus phone that won't turn on or charge. This phone was perfectly working 30 minutes ago, and now if I press the power button, it won't turn on. If I plug in the charger, it won't charge, it won't show anything on the screen. If you're having the same issue with your phone, let me show you what you gotta do. The first thing, plug in the charger. Okay, so now leave your phone charging for at least 30 minutes. Even if you don't see anything on the screen, just don't worry, just leave it charging like that. And after 30 minutes, grab your phone, unplug the charger, and now you're gonna press and hold down the power button and volume up at the same time for 30 seconds. Just press the power button, volume up at the same time for 30 seconds. If your phone still won't turn on, now you're gonna press and hold down the power button and volume down at the same time for 30 seconds. The same process, okay? If after pressing the power button, volume up or volume down, your phone still won't turn on, try this. You're gonna plug in the charger, and now you're gonna repeat the process. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press and hold down the power button, volume up at the same time for at least 30 seconds. Let's do it. Power button, volume up. Nice. When you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, release both buttons and your phone will be good to go. So you will see that your phone now, once you see the OnePlus logo, that means your phone is gonna be working perfectly, guys. Sometimes you're gonna see that the battery we only have like 5% charge. If it is almost fully charged, you don't have to charge your phone, but if you see the battery is less than 30% charge, just charge your phone until we reach 100%, okay? Now let's say with the charger connected, you press the power button and volume up and your phone still won't turn on. You're gonna repeat the process pressing and holding down the power button and volume down. Instead of pressing volume up, you're gonna press the power button and volume down with the charger connected. Just do that. And let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out with this issue. If not, please comment the exact model of your phone to make a part 2.